Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store none option not showing. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to change country or region in your App Store or in your Apple ID and you're facing the issue that your none option is not showing with payment method. So let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software. So go to your settings app. Now in settings, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending update for your software. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And once you have done, you have to simply go to general section again and here go to VPN and device management. You just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any kind of connected VPN here, just simply try to disconnect with your VPN. After disconnecting, you have to go back, go to data time settings and make sure that your data time is enabled this toggle to set the data automatically. Then go back and here go to language and region and select your own region in which you are living or with which you want to use into your app store. So let's say I'm going to select my app store now. Just tap on your Apple ID or your profile login in the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And here select country or region. And now you have to select your own country or region in which you're living or which one you have just selected. Let's say I'm going to select this one. And once I have selected, just tap on the continue option here. Now tap on agree in the top right. And here you will get the none option. You just have to tap on this none option, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after that just tap on the done in the top right, and your country or region will be changed in the app store for your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.